Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Soul Food with Vaishali Bhatnagar. Today I am going to make a recipe with mushrooms. Yes, this is all for mushroom lovers and the recipe is called cheesy mushroom bites. So if you are allergic to mushrooms, please do not make this recipe. So all the mushroom lovers, let's see how we make this recipe. So for our recipe, we need fresh mushrooms. These are store-bought mushrooms. ये थोड़े size में बड़े होने चाहिए. Wash them thoroughly, and this is how you have to scoop the mushrooms. I'll show you. Just twist the bulb, and it will break and come out. Take this knife. This is a peeler, so you can always scoop it out slowly. बहुत delicate होते हैं ये. Just scoop the mushrooms very lightly and collect all the tidbits. These are all part of mushrooms and we are going to use them in the filling. So this is how you have to scoop the mushroom. So likewise, remove all these stems from the mushroom, scoop it out and keep it aside, and cut these very finely, chop them finely. So this is how you are going to get the filling for the mushrooms. Now we will make the filling for the mushrooms. Put the flame on medium to high. Add 1 teaspoon of oil. Now add 2 teaspoons of butter. The reason we are putting oil with butter, it's because the butter won't burn. It will not take the brown color as soon as you put it in the pan. So always add little bit of oil in butter. We'll saute some finely chopped onions. We just have to saute till the onions are translucent. We don't have to brown them. Now we will add our mushrooms and the stems that we chopped finely. Just saute them as well. Now add some salt. Add very little salt in the beginning because we are going to use processed cheese and that also has some salt, and butter also has some salt. So just put salt very little first, and then later on you can always taste the filling and add the salt accordingly. Half teaspoon of oregano, maybe a little bit more. Tastes very nice. 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. 1 teaspoon black pepper powder and little bit of garlic powder. Stir well. Let this cook on a high flame. The aroma is amazing. Now the stuffing is ready. We can see it has been very well done. And now switch off the gas and we'll let it cool. Now we take a bowl and shift all the filling in the bowl and we'll let it cool down. So filling is cooled now and we'll add half cup of processed cheese. Mix well, and now our cheesy filling is ready. Now we will fill the mushroom with the spoon and press it properly. Now we'll take a pan or take a griddle like this, let it heat, we'll brush some oil. Now the pan is well heated, we're going to arrange the mushrooms. We will cook this on high flame and we'll cover it for a couple of minutes. Now we'll reduce the flame and we'll let it cook and we'll see the cheese melt. Now we can see that our mushrooms are now soft and juicy. They are ready to be served. Our cheesy mushroom bites are ready. Relish it with the sauce of your choice. And if you are allergic to mushrooms, please do not try this recipe. For mushroom lovers, go ahead and try my recipe and share your feedback in the comment section. Do like, subscribe and share my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you. See you next time.